Today I'm here to unbox my new toy. It's an Almirah. See? This is the box. Comes in two different colors. One is pink. See, this is the pink color, and the other one is blue. See. Now let's start unboxing. Wow, the Almirah is so bright and pink in color. Let's take a look at the Almirah. This is the Almirah. I'm going to open this cover to take a look at the Almirah. See, this is the Almirah. The back side is white. It has a real mirror. We can see through this mirror. See? Hi. There's a small lock right here. There's a handle. It's painted in silver color. This also is painted in silver color. Now let's open the Almirah. There are some space right here, here and here. Also there is upside some space. There are some hangers, right? Pink hangers. And they can fit right here. Now let's open the locker. There are some money inside the locker. Let's take the money and look. There is 50 rupee note. ₹2,000 note. There is 500 rupee note. There is 100 rupee note. They are all small. There's a shelf under the Almirah with a small silver handle here. So let's pull it to see what's inside. This is pink in color, not like inside the Almirah. It's white over here, but it's pink over here. Let's do one thing. Let's flip the Almirah and see what will happen. Wow! Now you can see There's the mirror is here. It's normal. And the shelf is upside. But you have to flip it and keep it like this. If you want to play it like this. I am going to open the Almirah. But you couldn't hang clothes because it's down here. The locker also will be in the correct place. The shelves on down will be neat. But you couldn't hang any more hangers. But you can still keep it anywhere you like. Actually, this Almirah is for my cute little doll named Glittery. I'm gonna keep her clothes inside. Put this cute little dress inside here. This is how it looks. So I'm going to hang it here. I have another dress like that, but it's not purple, it's pink in color. So I'm going to hang it on this hanger and hang it here. Now let's put some towels in this space. So this is a towel. I'm going to fold it. And keep it. And I'm going to keep it right up on this shelf. See? Now I'm going to put some clothes here and here in this space. This is a dress, so I will fold it. And keep it here. This is a t-shirt. I will fold it like this, and keep it right here. Now I kept every dresses inside here. Now let's move on to the shelf. The shelf can be removed from here so that it makes easy to put everything inside. So next I'm going to put shoes and accessories. These are my shoes and accessories. Let's put them all in the shelf. See? Now let's put this shelf here. See how nicely I arranged my clothes in the Almirah. And I love the colors and details on this Almirah. It's super cute. And if you close it and there's a real mirror. I like that too. The locker is so cute and the money is the most thing I like. What is your favorite thing? That's all about this new cute little Almirah. Bye.